welcome to today's video. We've actually got a picture out of that JVC, Ferguson 3V22, sorry, and as you can see, I think the capstan speed's a bit fast, because look at how that is responding in general. And also the sound is way out as well, so this is going to be fun. With a capital F for fun, as in not fun. I need to work out which of these serves the capstan. So head drum speed, we'll check that first because it does seem to be fluctuating slightly. Oh, I love these things. So let's get that side off. Yeah, you can hear that head drum speed is fluctuating. So off with the board. It's very difficult to actually get in there to adjust things. So what I want to do is adjust the head speed, head drum speed. Not knowing exactly what these all do, that might be a bit tricky. But I think if I move this like so, that gives us a bit more. Actually, yep, move this one as well. There, that gives us a lot more leeway on this board. Yeah. Try not to get your fingers on the audio connector. So the actual audio heads, I've managed to put them back in, and they seem to be okay because they're not crinkling the tape. So I think from a tape path perspective, they are alright. Although I just noticed it going in there and it is a little bit crinkled slightly. And it does seem that capstan little head drum speed is well out. That is fluctuating quite wildly. So let us see if we can find the head drum motor speed, which you might actually be able to do. Up from this side. So drum discriminator, we need to get into there. Tiny little flat blade. So tiny little flat blade. Right, do I have one? If not, I will go and find one. Right, head speed should be this one. So let's see what that does. Too slow. Too fast. And that's about stable-ish. It's still hunting, but that's probably the capstan that's causing that. So cap sample. What's this do? No. Record level, PB level. Those are going to be recording. Sample P, record. Channel 1 phase, channel 2 phase. Preset. It does seem to be all over the place, that drum speed, you can hear it. There's down the bottom. That's way too fast. I wonder if there is a problem with some of the capacitors leading to the drum motor, because that is not able to maintain a steady drum speed, which is really irritating. Woo! So that's right at maximum at the moment. And it cycles up and down, so put it down a bit. And I think we have a picture of sorts. So it's about there is where we have a picture, but it's not brilliant. Let's see, capstan. So that's slowed the capstan speed down, I think. That seems to have helped the stability of the picture. Let's see if it's brought any sound back. Nah, no sound. Drum speed up a little bit. Yeah. Right, that board I don't think is in the best of shape. So what I'm going to do is borrow the board from the really grubby looking deck. Right, let's stop the tape. And let's get a board out of this. So I might need to take the top off of this one. Can I do it without taking the top off? No, I think I will need to take the top off, or at least undo this side. So I can prise that up like so, and then that'll come out like that. Then a couple of screws, as we know, to obviously get this out of the machine. I'd be surprised if this board is in better shape, to be honest, but you never know. It's worth trying. I know this is a bit of board substitution amateur hour, but since we've got both together, why the heck not? Okay, power this one off, ready to receive its new board, or replacement board. And yeah, that's the line that goes all the way. Where's that go? Oh, it's a lamp. Okay, that's easy enough to get out. So I probably will need to take this off actually. So that lamp is actually for the audio dub facility, and it's wired directly onto the Syscom/audio board. So eject, remove, that down to one side, get this out of the way. So let's just unplug these. Right, that goes down to here. Not sure if you can see this, but let's do that. So the audio dub lamp goes here. There, that goes under this micro switch. Oh, come on, there you go. I should be able to do that. There's the lamp. So let's grab that out there, and so yellow, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, there, there, here, over here. Large pair of multi-plugs. We've got audio / control, which is there. Another one there. And we're nearly there. We've just got this large multi-plug here. And we're out. Right, now we're going to have to be a bit more careful putting this back into the other decks. So let's get this one down out of the way. And let's put this deck down onto here. Get focused in on the situation, and let's start. So what we're going to be doing is moving this board out of the way. And what we'll actually do is, I think, we will leave that to next episode. If you found this interesting, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.